Good morning, all of you. Well, as per our daily schedule, so we are continuing our classes, online classes for third semester students. So I am kindly requesting to all third semester students if you have to take interest in internal examination as per the RCU we are conducting, but still you are not collected your blue books from the office. Immediately you have to collect it. Otherwise, we will not provide you internal marks. So this is from a notice from the principals. So please, you have to go through this online classes, up to date yourself, and make perfect in this. Don't depend on the only for marks card. At least you have to gain your knowledge. Learn something because tomorrow you will be called as a businessman. You will be opening your own business. So at that time you want to be a knowledge. Where the knowledge you will be gained from the colleges, from the platform of this. You have to be open your mobiles and listen carefully whatever I am telling. Since from the September I am taking continuously classes. So today we are on the third model of your main subject, and it is an important subject from the government also. That is nothing but as an entrepreneurship development. You please go through that, and you have to collect it all notes whatever we are sending at the time of examination. Don't make yourself as in the problematic. So that is why you have to learn something about, you have to gain something, your knowledge. So you are thinking that you are going and taking appointment from any industries and all this thing. Without the knowledge, nobody will take. So don't become a $100 employment or under employment. So you became as a employed, or you have to go and you have to join in good company because of the knowledge. If you doesn't have knowledge, nobody will care about you. That is why I am requesting you, please go through that online, because nowadays it is a lot of competitions. Well, it is my duty, I have told you. So that is your problems. So well, as per our daily schedule, it is my duty. I have to start it the entrepreneurship. We are in the model number 2 or model number 3. So continuously we are taking since from the long days, that is a supporting agencies to the entrepreneurship or small scale industries. What are those supporting industries? Today is whatever I am taking, that is a last supporting agencies to the small scale industry and also as well as to the entrepreneurship business. Whatever those. So today we have to take as that is nothing but as a KIADB. That is nothing but as this is the last supporting agency to the entrepreneurship. So that is nothing but as a KIADB. That is nothing but as a Karnataka Industrial Area Development Board. It will be set up as per the Act 1966. That as per the Act of 1966, this is completely owned by the Karnataka government. That is nothing but as a Karnataka Industrial Area Development Board. It will be owned by the Karnataka government as per the Act 1966. So this it will be as, and they are regularly maintained by the, or decision taken by the board of directors under the Karnataka government. The land for industries, they are providing whatever. If you suppose if you want to make a business or you want to start a business, if you have to approach this agency, approach this supporting agency, that is nothing but as a Karnataka Industrial Area Development Board. They are providing the area for your factory, for your business. So they are giving you the area in the industrial area. If you want to do your business on the counter business, they will provide you the shops in the complex. Both they are doing. That is why they are written about that decision. They are taken by the board of director. They are providing the land for industries in the industrial area, and then they have to be make a development for that area. Development means that they are providing the land, providing the transport, roads and all these things. They are making nice park, they are providing waters, they are providing electricity, and they are providing whatever it will be connected to your business. Almost all they are developed by the Karnataka government. That is why Karnataka Industrial Area Development Board, that is owned by the Karnataka government Act 1966. Then whatever it will be connected to your business, all they are provided, and then totally 95 industrial area allotted in the Karnataka at present. Then few example if you want for the Karnataka Industrial Area Development Board, they are given area to the Pinya. Pinya is a area and comes in the Bangalore industrial area. We are calling industrial area. Their name is they are given Pinya. Pinya is an industrial area in the Bangalore. That it will be developed by the Karnataka Industrial Area Development Board. That is example. Second example, if you want, that is nothing but as a Hebbal. That Hebbal, that also be it will comes in the Bangalore. That also area they are developed by the this board supporting agency. And in Dharwad, they are given a Tarihar. Tarihar is an industrial area. It will comes in the Dharwad. And then Kakti area. Kakti is the industrial area. It will comes in the Belgaum. That also be developed by the Karnataka Industrial Area Development Board. And then auto complex they have to be constructed by this supporting agency in Shimoga also. So that there are nothing but as there are several examples I put in front of you. That is a Pinya, Hebbal, Tarihar, and then auto complex in a Shimoga and Kakti in Belgaum. So these are the examples, means that this type of industrial development, if you want area in the industrial area, they are provided you with along with the development. And if you want a counter sale or a complex building, they will provide you in the complex. So that type of, if you want approach, suppose you have to complete after how it will be come, sir, how you have to be approach and all this thing. So what are the procedure and all this thing, it will comes in your mind. So first of all, I am requesting you first complete your BBA. BBA is nothing but as A equal to graduation. If you have to complete the BBA, it is very easy to go this agency and approach. Because first question arises here is that they will ask you that, so your qualification. You have to tell the qualification. If your qualification it will not perfect, then it will be a very small business they will be suggested you. If you have to complete the BBA, then they will be very happy and they will be easily they will be providing the industrial area, because at least you want to be some knowledge for the starting of business now. That is why you have to complete this BBA. You have to give a concentrate about that. So government will be, they are sitting there, they are waiting for your completion of there, and you have to go and ask. They will provide you the area in the industrial area. If you want a shop and all this thing, they will provide you in the complex also. So that is very easy, but you are not taking a seriously in the studies and all this thing. So that is why I am telling you again and again, you have to be concentrate on your studies. Then industrial area, that is Karnataka Industrial Area Development Board. What is the main objective? What are the main objective is that main objective is that development of your business, development of area where you want taking the industrial areas. That area they will be developed for everything. So whatever you want, electricity, roads, gardens, everything they are, whatever are connected to your business, they will be developed and they will assist to you. They will help you about what type of business you are doing, what type of facilities you want, they will be assisted to you. And regarding the factory infrastructure, how you have to make a infrastructure about that. So how your shed will be, where your machine it will fitted, fan it will fitted, ventilation it will fitted, for pollution it will be, everything infrastructure they are given assist in the this board, that is a Karnataka Industrial Area Development Board. And then they will give a as nothing but as a infrastructure and no profit no loss business. They will not sitting for the making of profit, this agency. So here there is no profit. Their main motto is that they are never making a profit. Whatever the profit it will goes on the customers, those who are starting their business. So they will be never accept your profit and all this thing for them. So your profit it will be for yours. So like that they will be helping. There is no profit, no loss. Like that they are giving, that government of Karnataka, they are giving help as per according to the Act of 1966, not 1966. These are the objective: development, assist, infrastructure, no profit and no loss. And next you will question it arise, for every supporting agency they have the introduction, objective, functions and schemes. Here what are the functions of that? What are the activities done by a Karnataka Industrial Area Development Board? Is nothing but as a acquire land. So wherever they want to be easily land it will be provided, they will go and occupy the lands. Government of Karnataka, this area is only for the industrial area. They will be occupied and they will be purchased land for your purposes, for the industry purposes. They are acquire the land. And then membership, they are making a membership. Those who are interested in business, they will go and give your names and all this thing, some documents and all this thing, and they are making a membership and they will start the providing of the lands and all this thing. Then promote, they will promote your business, they popularize your business, they will telling all this ad and all this thing about your business and all this and that also they will done by that. And also they are day by day they are maintaining about your business also. These are the functioning done by the Karnataka Industrial Area Development Board, that is the Karnataka government. Then what are the schemes are they? They are giving, at present they are giving 280 acres of land and 1000 units complex already they are constructed, and airport, Belgaum airport also they have to make, and the port, Karwar port, that also they have to make, Panji port, and they have to give a Panji and the Karwar and the Jindal, the factory, it will be in the some hospital they are providing, and the electricity in Bangalore, they are all developed by the Karnataka Industrial Area Development. So these how they are doing, how they are already, you know, the popular electricity, electronic city we are calling in the Bangalore, that will be developed by the Karnataka Industrial Area Development Board. They are the schemes of that type of schemes they have in their hands. If you want, you have to take the advantage of these type of schemes also. They are already provided 280 acres land and 1000 units of complex they have to be constructed already. If you want an example, they will give the example of Belgaum airport, that also they are constructed by this supporting agency, and the Panji port, Karwar port and the Jindal factory, everything they are provided by the supporting agency. Then why you are not? You take advantage of this. So whatever I am telling you, this is the last supporting agency. There are several agencies I put in front of you. So whenever you have a requirement of these, whenever you have any problems, if you want to start a business, you go through and you have to open the Google. You will get the telephone numbers and all this thing. You go and contact these agencies and all this thing, and easily you can start your business and all this thing. Here we are completed our supporting agencies. So up to here for the third model and that. So next we will continue in the next classes. Until that, you have to take care and thank you.